In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the digestive system. Now I'm going to be using HoloHuman on the Microsoft HoloLens, and I've tethered it to my laptop so you can experience what I see. What we can see here is the skeletal system hosting the digestive tract. Let's strip this back however so that we can get a better view. Now your digestive system is made up of a series of organs that allows the body to get the nutrients and energy it needs from the food we eat. Starting in the mouth, chewing and saliva begin the digestive process by breaking down the food into a more easily processed composition that the body can absorb. When we swallow, the esophagus, which is a muscular tube connecting the throat to the stomach, begins to contract. This pushes the food towards the stomach and past a one-way valve that allows food in, but not back out. The stomach then begins to transform the food into a paste-like substance by mixing it with acid and enzymes before passing it into the small intestines. The small intestines are responsible for the majority of the work here. Now, this is where the food is mixed with enzymes released by the pancreas and bile released by the liver before moving it into a section of the small intestines that absorb the nutrients. The pancreas, as mentioned before, helps produce and secrete the digestive enzymes into the small intestine. Located just behind the stomach and connected to the gallbladder, it breaks down the macronutrients which consist of fats, carbohydrates and proteins. The liver, in contrast, secretes bile and helps purify the blood from the absorbed nutrients delivered by the small intestine. Bile serves two purposes. Firstly, it helps absorb the macronutrient fat, and secondly, it removes to waste any nutrients unable to pass through the kidneys. If the bile isn't needed immediately, it will be stored in the gallbladder, which is a pear-shaped reservoir located just under the liver. As we come to the end of the digestive journey, our body needs to remove the waste. To do this, the large intestine or colon acts as a bridge between the small intestine and the rectum, which is an 8-inch chamber that connects to the anus. What you might not know is this is actually made up of 4 parts. The ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. From here the inevitable happens. The anus signals to the brain that stool is present and defecation occurs.